So right now, this is a Black's Law 4th edition. This is one of those situations too where you do got to go back to the older dictionary. You know, there are situations like this you got to get because they hide the meaning of words. All right. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. So we're talking about a state. So we're going to look at the noun of state, which is right here. It says a people permanently occupying a fixed territory. We need to know what a territory is, bound together by common law habits and custom into one body politic, exercising through the medium of an organized government, independent sovereignty and control over all persons and things within its boundaries, capable of making war and peace and of entering into international relations with other communities of the globe. Okay, so this right here is the definition that when they talk about sovereignty, like popular sovereignty, where we exercise our sovereignty through a body politic. This is the general definition of the word state, okay, which is okay. I don't have a problem with that definition in any kind of way. All right. So, but let's go a little deeper. And these are common law definitions. As you can see, they're giving you the statutes that follow each of the definitions, letting you know the case law to go and read if you want to get some in-depth understanding of what was just stated, which I would advise you to do. Because a lot of times you can just read this definition, which is they just actually just took a portion out of the case, and you don't really get the full comprehension of it until you read the case and really get to see it in the proper context of what this is being said. So I would suggest that when you're doing real study, pull up get the citation and pull up the case and read it. All right, so the organization of social life which exercises sovereign power on behalf of the people. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right. One of the component commonwealths or states of the United States of America. Now, you're going to notice that sometimes they write state with a small s and a capital S. That is, proper noun and a common noun. That right there is significant. And also notice that they said United States of America. That is significant too. They're not saying United States. All right, but look at the very next sentence. The term is sometimes applied also to governmental agencies authorized by states such as municipal corporations. So right here, couched in very obscure portion of this definition, they give you that a state, the word state, also refers to a municipal corporation or government agency. I want y'all to read this and understand this. I read this a long time ago. This is one of the first things I studied when I first started studying this information. I've known it since that time. That the word state can apply to a municipal corporation, which makes sense to me. They do that. They play with the language like that all the time, which is why you always got to ask for clarification. So when they say the state of Georgia, that could be a corporate entity. I don't understand why they try to pretend like it's not, and it's written in all capital letters, and they try to pretend like it's not. You can find evidence of it, and this is a breadcrumb right here, a very big one, a very big loaf that dropped on the ground, letting you know that the term state sometimes applied also to governmental agencies authorized by state, such as municipal corporations. All right, so now that we got that out, we know we need to look at the word state with a crooked eye every time we see the word and start paying attention to that particular word.